What are you crying for? Do you want a coffee? You're not allowed. You're not allowed coffee. It's not good for you. Not allowed coffee. Get off me key.
Glass. Glass.
Apollo.
Glass. Glass. Oh. Glass. Glass. Glass.
What's your name? Can you say hello? How about hi? Hi. And Spanish, hola. Hola. And que pasa? Que pasa? And we don't go fast enough. You want to hurry. Hurry. All right, we're going to sing, okay? Okay. Can we do old? Very good.
Good. Apollo, what color?
Black.
That's right, it's color black. Good bird. No? Okay. What color is this?
Black.
No. Come on, you can do it. What color is this?
Red.
No. What color?
White.
That's really close. Good job. It's color white. We'll count that. All right, Apollo, two more. What color?
Red.
That's right. What is this?
That's a bell.
That's right. Good bird, Apollo. Here's a pistachio.